Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be finally fitting the GPS tracker for the BMW. I said in the previous alarm video that I'd fit this, and I'm going to go through how to do that. So this is what you get. I bought this from Amazon. Basic hardwired tracker. Nice little pamphlet. Tracker itself. GSM aerial. The loom itself. The mic, if you actually want to use this. We won't be using it. The relay. That's if you want to use the immobilizer. And the manual.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
So fitting one of these is not particularly difficult. Fundamentally you only need 12 volts and ground, and then it's going to work. Obviously you need to plug the aerials in, but that's it. So you can actually put it wherever you want. One place would be behind the glove box with the alarm, so I think I'm going to mount it in the boot. As you only need 12 volts, I've decided to mount mine in the boot, so the alarm's in the glove box and the tracker will be in the boot. Obviously you should put it elsewhere, might not be the best location. So without even checking, I know the boot light is permanent 12 volts as it's come on. So what I'm going to do, this cable is to live, I'm going to mount the tracker in here.
Live with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
So basically here's the loom. Most of this we won't need. What I'm going to do is chop off the things I don't want. So first off, orange is siren. I don't want that. Blue and green are door triggers. So I'm not going to be using the SOS button, so remove that. What we're left with is red, black, white. White is ignition, red 12 volt ground. The yellow is if you want to use the immobilizer, which the relay would. Click to click. In case you wanted the immobilizer, you'd use the yellow. The yellow would be in line with, say, the fuel pump. So now what we're left with is the wires that we actually want, bar the yellow.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting.
So what I've done, I've fed the power cables through here, up and to here. I've soldered this one, and for now I've just stuck this in to make sure it works. Blink light means it's working. So despite soldering the ground wire, I've decided to use one of these. Focus. It's like a T-bone.
You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean.
So what I've done is used a spade, soldered the wire to the connector so I can still have the boot light. So what I've done is, as I don't have speakers under these speaker covers, I'm going to mount the GPS and the GSM under here. Next one, the GSM. This one is sticky back. I assume a magnet would interfere with the GSM. So that's where I'm going to put it. And you can just see the tracker. Admire the black parcel shelf. These are good. Dehumidifiers, a Pingy. Not sponsored, but you know, very good anyway. Originally I put the ground into the boot light, forgetting it's a switch ground. So basically it's only ground when the switch is out. So what I did instead was remove the ground and ground it off here for now. Works fine, any chassis point, or you can tap into the brown cables up here which do the tail lights. Same principle, but it works. So the track is now fitted. I've checked to see if it actually replies to text, as that's how you program them, and it does. GSM is a little bit low, but that's probably because we're inside the garage. So I've used the loom tape to tape the wires that goes into the boot hinge. I've cable tied the tracker itself. Just in case you was wondering, yes, it does work. If you call the tracker, it will reply with the location and speed details. Don't forget, the speed is in kilometers per hour, not miles an hour. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Any comments, mention them below, I'll do my best to answer them. And soon we are finally sorting out the suspension to this thing, as it's shocking. So if you'd like to see that video, hit the subscribe button and it'll be out soon.
What we can be, life with no distractions. Get away, this is what we